I'm about to show you the exact system that can take you from 9 to 16 calls per day, and the biggest breakthrough will come with one single change that would hardly take you 30 seconds to just implement. Plus, you'll get to know how my client's first video performed 22x than usual. I have created a systematic approach based on studying the most successful service provider on the YouTube, the ones who booked solid and charging premium prices. I have break down their exact strategies, psychological triggers, and conversion methods into this video step by step. So if you are a coach, consultant, or a service provider, but your YouTube videos aren't filling your calendar with qualified prospects or haven't even considered YouTube yet, this video is gonna change everything for you. By the end of this video, you'll have the complete funnel, the psychological triggers, and the simple hacks that 99% of creators just overlook that converts viewers into high paying clients. Step 1. Most people make mistake before even pressing the record button. They just start copying their competitors, what the competitors are doing, or they just post like the personal interest that they have. Neither of the two approach just get any of the clients. Here's what you should do instead: work backward from your offer. Break your service into modules, then just turn each module into video topics, and find outliers from the different industries and just copy them onto your niche. For example, if you just help coaches build funnels, your topic just become like how to write landing page copy that converts, how to set up email sequence that sell, how to optimize checkout pages for higher conversion. So these are your topics, right? And you just get the outlier. Some outlier is don't start a personal brand, do this instead. This is the outlier, right? So you can just do is don't write landing page, do this instead. Don't write sales copy, do this instead. So while just explaining that what they should just do, you should just insert your service into it, right? So you should just have like a new mechanism to your service, like you're just making AI outreach messages, something like that, right? So you can just have like hypercharged AI model, something like this, right? So it just stick onto the viewer's mind, and they would just have like a word resonating to your offer, right? So they would just have like hyper what I call like hyper AI, something like this, right? So you can just have like hyper AI into your videos, hyper AI into your titles, hyper AI into your VSL, hyper AI into your bio. So you will be known by the word, like if they just talk about anything about the service, right? So your just name come first, right? So if they just talk about AI outreaching, they would just talk about like hyper system that you have just considered, right? So you can just have new mechanisms that would just convert the best. And this approach ensure like every video you just create serves a business goal, attracting qualified prospects who already want what you are selling. But getting the right topics is just like half the battle, right? Great content doesn't guarantee if someone will just click onto your video or not. Like weak packaging can just kill everything. So let me just show you what I meant with this. Like, so to just find the outliers, I have a method. Like I just go on to the other videos like Mr. Welch or Jordan Welch, we can say, just did, right? So he just got on to the other video like don't delete social media, do this instead. He just copied this into his niche, like don't start a personal brand, do this instead. So you can just copy any of the outlier to your niche, right? So you can just see like it's 100x outlier and it's 7.6x outlier. So if you don't know about outliers, outliers are the videos that have performed more than the channel usually perform, right? The more the outlier and the small the channel is, the more beautiful it will just act onto your niche. Just look towards the channel like 50k, 10k, or maybe like 5k subscribers, and then you can just go on to their outliers and can see if you guys can copy the outlier or just see another outlier that would just work perfectly onto your channel. Great content doesn't guarantee if someone just click on their video, or weak packaging just kill good videos before they just get a chance even. So your title needs to be outcome based and specific, instead of like say you are just doing like telling people how to just get leads from LinkedIn. Instead of telling them how to use LinkedIn for getting leads, just try a title like how to get 50 high quality leads per month from LinkedIn step by step, right? So you can just have titles like this. The title psychology is just like combining a specific result, a clear time frame, and an objection removal to just grab the attention. The thumbnail psychology just consider like show a desired outcome, create a curiosity gap that only the video can fulfill. So you can just have like a before and after onto like this type of title. Viewer will have curiosity, right? How they can just shift their belly fat or their muscle fat, anything like on the title or on the thumbnail to just like lose 10 pounds in just 30 days. So when you just nail your packaging, you just stand out, you just get more clicks, and it just feel the algorithm. More importantly, you just get like right people to just click onto your video. But even with the perfect topics and packaging, most people just mess up when people just click onto the video. Like before that, let me just reveal you a simplest change. If you are doing onto your YouTube video, it will just have the biggest impact that I just mentioned in the hook of the video. Like it would just hardly take you 30 seconds to just implement it. Most people just have like a digital hazard onto their YouTube description. Like you can just see like resources, download HubSpot, favorite free certificate courses, grow your career and business, free email marketing course. So rather than having this, have this. So how would this impact? Let me just show you, right? So if you just seeing the video, and you just in the end or in the middle, you just give a call to action. After the call to action, we will just tap on the description, right? And they just go on to the description, and they just see like where is the link to just tap on, right? And you just have this. So you have like work with me, buy my book, right? So you just have two options, or you have just website, it's saying like this only. So you have just two options, and like Instagram and everything is in like you just don't need necessary to have Instagram, LinkedIn, and X when you are just uploading like few of your videos. It's like after you have like few of the videos. So rather than having this, just have this, because when the viewer just get onto the description, it just confuses the viewer like what to do now, what link should I just click. Alex Ramosi also says if you just confuse them, you just lose them. One offer, one path, and one action is necessary to just make like $1 million on internet. And after clicking on this link, they send people to a VSL, like video sales letter, that is like embedded in the landing page. We will just talk about that in another video. Let's just discuss like after even having the perfect funnel that I just told you, like VSL and landing page, most people just mess up the next part. Most creators try to speak to everyone and end up connecting to no one. You need to understand there are three levels of market awareness in your audience. For example, if I'm talking about myself, I will create first for the least aware audience, like the people who don't even know YouTube can generate leads for their business. For them, I will create the educational content about why this matters. Second is like moderately aware. The people who just know like YouTube works, but they are struggling with implementation. For them, I'll just create like tactic videos and case studies like this. And the third one is like the most aware. The people who are just ready to buy. They just need the right solution. For them, I can just share like the advanced strategies and how to make direct offerings. So I have just discussed in another video, you can just check onto my channel. If I'm just creating about the first tier of the market, I will just have the terms and just have the packaging of the video like the first tier could understand. Like if I just told the terms like VSL and video sales letter, revenue, leads, like maybe first tier doesn't know that thing, right? We just need to package our video like just script our video according to the level of the market and what the audience just know. Like the first tier doesn't know anything, the third tier just know everything. If we are just giving the third tier the first tier information, they will just tell like it's useless, because the information isn't useless. Audience is incorrect to just know that knowledge, because they already know and they would just think like this is bullshit, right? And for the CTA, 90% of the videos have just weak or a generic call to action. Hey, if you just want more videos, just subscribe, hit the bell icon. That's not going to just book your call, guys. First, just hook the viewer, like saying now you just know the strategy, the knowledge, the value you just delivered, right? And then you just create curiosity. But what's the best way to just implement this? This generates a gap in their knowledge and in their mind that you just need to fulfill, right? So you can just tell them to just book a call with them, and link is in the description, and in 30 days you will just find out like X results. You will just get like X amount of money. So you just need to promise onto your video while just video is ending, and they will just click onto the link and they will just book a call with you. When you just combine like proper audience targeting with this CTA framework, it's literally free traffic to your funnel. If you just structure this correctly, you can just achieve them with about like 7 people, like 3 closer, one setter, one VA, one copywriter, and one media buyer. That's it. But the key instead here is that you need system, you don't need tactics. Everyone can optimize a description or create a VSL page, but having the complete system is the game. The right content strategy, the psychological triggers, the funnel architecture, the team structure. That's what separates you from everyone else. But here's what I have learned after implementing this system over like 15 channels. The difference between knowing the strategy and actually implementing is massive difference. The psychology works, the system works, but the implementation here is where the most people fail. That's exactly why I have created a done for you YouTube system that handles strategy, scripting, editing, thumbnails, and every optimization that you need to just get calls. You just need to show up, record, and watch qualified prospect just book calls with you. So if you just want to skip the trial and error phase and start booking calls from YouTube in next 90 days, click the link below to see if you just qualify a program, because we just don't work with everyone. We just work with only a few quality people. Thanks for watching, and I'll just see you in the next one.